What is good, y'all? Happy February 1st. Excited. So I'm back with the beginning of a new vlog. So I'm excited for you guys to get started with this February vlog. Again, I'm going to try to do less talking, more showing. So this is an exciting week. If you guys don't know, I'm like OD organized. So I already have like my next 2 weeks planned out. But this is an exciting month. It's February. It's Black History Month. Got Valentine's Day. You guys saw all the Valentine's Day content I created in the last vlog, so it's all releasing this month, but by the time this comes out it'll be next month. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it, but let's get it. Good morning, you guys. So yesterday my book came in. Well, act like I'm unpacking it now. But my new book came in, so I finished I'll Teach You to Be Rich. So I wanted books that pertain toward my goals. So I told you guys my goals were health, finance, and brand oriented. So after reading a finance book, next thing on the list was to actually read a health book, which I haven't read one. I had a book about like gut health, and it was like microbiome and all that stuff, but I'm not like a science person. I felt like I was reading a textbook. So we're gonna try out intuitive eating. Good morning. It's Saturday, so I'm headed to the gym. Let's actually get some footage this time. What's good, y'all? So I'm about to edit a client logo. Every once in a while, I'm not totally freelance. I know some people were asking me like, are you a photographer? So if you saw my last vlog, I'm actually full-time digital marketing for some companies, but sometimes every once in a while, if I have time, then on a case-by-case basis, I'll take like a freelance gig. So my friend's starting a blog, I think it is, so I'm designing the logo for that in partnership with my sister, who's an illustrator slash designer. So this should be fun. It's February 5th. We're about to have Galentine's. Kendall's setting up for us. Hi. Looks so good. Oh, I'm so excited. You don't need a Valentine when you have Galentine's. Shot.
Oh, my room. I came out. Have y'all started stuffing them yet? And I didn't get to ice the cupcakes either, but they're here. I might still ice.
Gang. Gang, gang.
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang.
Yay! Happy Valentine's.
It's only going to be seen by 1 million viewers. The whole gang's here. Guys, it's Cass.
Is this the vlog?
It's the vlog. We're about to head to Jana J's performance at Lillian Bloom. We lived. So freaking crispy frickle clear. This camera is supposed to perform like extremely well in low light, so I'm excited to see if you right, to see if you true, to see if you do what you say that you do.
future that we dreamed of is no more.
Alright, you guys, we're at Lily and Bloom. Tana just performed. You guys obviously saw by the footage. But we're gonna go get some pizza. This is Taylor. She thinks she's moving to Dallas. Hi! Triple D! Yeah, we're gonna go get some pizza. And the end. This is my YouTube vlog. You have to get verbal permission.
So it is totally fine. Only when I say smart shit that I be recorded. If I say dumb shit, you gotta.
Alright, well, to get some pizza.
My name is James, it's a pleasure to meet you. Welcome to downtown to the two-story loft. It's gonna be a great evening. We had a great time actually. Shout out to Janet J and the whole crew. Shout out to Janet J. Headliner, she headliner next time. It's your time. Yeah. And she get all the views on
We getting everybody out.
We love her. We love you.
Alright, vlog. Hopefully we'll get pizza at some point. It is Saturday, February 12th? Yeah. I'm trying to say the day now to help with editing Cass. You're welcome, editing Cass. Appreciate you vlogging, Cass. Anyways, thank you. So we're going to shoot Jana J music. All right, see y'all when we get to the stew. Good morning, y'all. It is Wednesday, February 16th. We made it through Valentine's Day. We've made it through February, which last February on the 15th, yesterday, we were in a freeze. Sorry, my car decided to stop my recording. Anyways, we were on a freeze last February 15th and had a week without power. So this one's going much better. It's like 70 degrees outside, but literally everything is interrupting this video. Okay, so I'm actually going in for work today. I know you guys probably saw me in my last vlog. I went in for a little bit because the offices were closed for Omicron, but we are back open. So I'm gonna go in today. Y'all are coming with me. Hey y'all, so I'm back from work. I didn't vlog a lot of work. It's because I just sit down and design stuff. Anyways, I got a package. I actually won an air fryer from work. We have like a recognition platform and I won the silver award. So with my award, I was able to get an air fryer. The air fryer, oh my God, what's happening? I'm like out of breath from trying to carry this. But anyways, it's the air fryer that I already had on my like wish list, but this is way bigger than like I thought. Like look how big this box is. And this is my roommate's air fryer. So I definitely am curious to see exactly what the heck I ordered. Okay. That is, oh. And it matches like the kitchen up perfectly. Like, wow. All right, we're gonna be whipping it up in the kitchen. Hey you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. It is February 21st. You guys like know I like to end last week of the month so I can edit and get this out for the beginning of the next month. But it's been an interesting February, you guys. Honestly, I feel like I'm going through my quarter life crisis. I'm turning 25 in, like, I still got 6 months, but still it's hitting me, and I don't know, it's just like that thing of like, what do I do with the rest of my life? And I know I don't need to have that figured out right now, but it's just always running through my head, so I'm trying to distract myself with other things. But yeah, obviously you guys didn't see me film like any YouTube videos this month. I am gonna film them, don't worry. Luckily I scheduled all my videos a month in advance for February, because I don't know, I just haven't been like, I don't know if it's like I haven't had the motivation or I just need to get up and do it. Like, I don't know exactly what it is. I end up in this funk and state of mind a lot, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. I think I tried to talk a lot less than this one and show more, but I'll see you guys next month. Psych, it's not over. So you guys, I think I'm gonna take a little break for the month of March, other than this video. I take social media breaks. I took a lot of month-long breaks, especially on like Instagram and other social medias, but I never take a break from YouTube, and I've been on YouTube since I was a sophomore in high school. So I haven't taken like a true just break from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc. I was kind of hesitant because I feel like I'm not to the point where I could take a break. Like, I don't feel like I have the reach, but I do feel like I need a break just so I can come to you guys with just better, more concrete, thought out content. I've been doing a lot of stuff I've been doing for a very long time, even though it's just now going to the forefront. I've been doing this for an extremely long time. I'm not necessarily burnt out. I just want some time to brainstorm what it is that I really want to do next, instead of, I feel like a lot of times I see a lot of images of what other people are doing, and like maybe in my mind I'm like, oh, I need to start a small business, or oh, I need to, I don't know, photo shoot models, etc. But I don't know if that's what I want to do, or if that's just what I'm seeing other people do, and that's what's getting ingrained into my head. So I think I just really want to take a break. And like I said, I usually don't take a YouTube break, but I don't know, I think this is the month. So you guys are getting this video, and usually I just release like 3 other videos in the month, but I'm gonna be back in April, and I'm very excited for this break and what's gonna come out of it. And I hope you guys can go and watch my older content. I may post a video actually in March, but it may just be like a compilation video of sorts. We'll see. But as far as like creating content for March, I need to slow down. I need a little break. That doesn't mean I'm gone. That doesn't mean I'm not doing this anymore. It just means I need some time. So yeah, thank you guys. I appreciate y'all. Hope you stick around. See you guys.